ready?
Welcome back again for another video, and for this video I'll be sharing you how I got my Mai Shiranui skin the fastest way possible. So if you go to the collab events, as you can see here, the share gift box, one. So as you can see, there's 4 empty slots here. You need to share the link, and if someone claim the link and if they haven't got the reward, their name will appear here. If you want to share the link, copy link and share it to your friends or Facebook groups or anywhere. And then once the link is claimed by Honor of Kings player, and if the reward hasn't been claimed, like Charlotte of Samurai Showdown, once they claim it, they will show their names here. This 4 empty slot should be filled, and also this here. For this slot, only 2 should be filled to get the SNK Mai. Here's the SNK Mai. So once the 6 slots has been filled, the bar meter of Mai here will be full, and you can claim now the Mai Shiranui hero. So as you can see here in my first back, I've already completed the rewards. So for the first back, make sure that there's 4 person that claim the link that you share. And for the second back, there should be at least 2 person that claim your link. As you can see here, there's already 3 person that claimed the link. So once the link has been claimed for 6 times, you'll see this. As you can see here, I already claimed the Mai Shiranui skin. So you need other players to claim this reward in order for you to get Mai Shiranui hero. The possible fastest way to get Mai Shiranui hero is you need to make a new account. Let's log this out. Okay. So it's up to you if you want to use Facebook, Gcash, email, very up to you. Add another account, create account. For my personal use, first name, let's say Mel 4, male. Optional, up to you. Next, say January 1, 1991. Gender, male, of course. Next, how you sign in, Gmail. So let's choose Mel 4, male. Next, already taken, Mel 4, dummy. So create a strong password. So just create your password. Next. Okay. Save. Yes, I'm in. Next. Agree. So there you go. Sign on the ropes. Enter the game. Confirm. It will give you heroes. Confirm. Confirm. Play match. Play match. Hero.
Welcome to Hero's Gorge. Marksman should go to
So
the
you need to
farm
finish
lane.
this
Follow
match
me.
first.
Victory!
Let's finish the game. Then, so open the link that you shared from your main account. So this is the link that we shared earlier. So open this. So click claim, continue. As you can see, you have claimed the reward. So for this dummy account, before you claim the Charlotte SNK hero, you need to complete 2 matches with friends. So since this is not our main account, so let's go back to our main account. Log out. We change back to our main account. So let's go to events. So you can see here, my box 2 has already claimed. So my box 2 is now completed. So as you can see here, our dummy account username is shown here. So that means another account has clicked your link and claimed the rewards from your link. So there you go. So you need to make 6 dummy accounts, and after you make 6 dummy accounts, so open the game from that dummy account one by one, and then click the link that you shared from your main account. So that's what you need to do in order for you to claim Mai Shiranui the fastest way possible. You don't need friends for this. You don't need other people to claim the reward. All you need is to make 6 dummy accounts. So there you go. So I hope that you like this video. I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this one, DIY tutorials, reviews, and other contents. So again, see you in my next video.
Ready?